The difference between welding and soldering. And the purpose of welding is to create a very strong bond between two pieces of metal that can withstand all kinds of stresses and strains. Soldering is rather uh, soft and normally comes in tubes and reels. Components. Number one, arc voltage. Arc voltage is that amount of voltage that exists on contacts separated by a small gap. Number two, base metal. A base metal is any metals other than noble metals or precious metal. Base metal typically tarnish or ro- corrode easily. Number three, cooling torch. Current throws a blow paid by which metal is preheated with a flame and then oxidized rapidly. Number four, goggles. Goggles are a type of protective eyewear that is normally used to prevent the entry of materials. Um, Number five, liquids. The liquid is the temperature at which an alloy is completely melted. Melting point. The melting point of a substance in the temperature at which it changes from a solid to a liquid state. Melting rains. Melting rains is the compound melts over an very narrow range. It can usually be assumed that the compound is relatively pure. See, solidus. The solidus is the highest temperature at which an alloy is solid where melting begins. Welding torch. A welding torch is a mechanical tool that fuses an open flame with gas, fuel, and oxygen to melt two pieces of metal together. Materials. Number one, acetone is a colorless liquid. Is a solvent used in the manufacture of plastic and other industrial products. Acetone is a gas composed of carbon and hydrogen. Under normal condition, it is a gas a little lighter than air. Alloy. An alloy is known as the combination of two or more elements. Electrodes. Welding electrodes mean weld are metal rods that can be cured with different materials. Flux. Solder flux is used to clean or prepare surfaces or solidity and to control oxidation. Welding rod is filler metal that is used to join to other um, base metals when performing shielding metals are welding. Circuit board. A circuit board is a physical piece of technology that allows for the assembly of electrical. LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electrical current, cur- current is passed through it. Tinning is a process of using a soldering iron to melt solder around a extended electrical wire. Desoldering is the removal of solder and components from a circuit board. Uh, Soldering iron. A soldering iron is the primarily piece and handheld equipment used in the process of soldering. Conical tips are usually used for precision electrical work to they are also often used for general soldering. Brass sponges clean better that condition sponges at will not damage your iron tip. And finally, solder. Solder is a fusible metal alloy used to create a permanent bond between metals work pieces.